It doesn't matter how good your product is if you're not posting about it. The problem is most people struggle to make videos like this by themselves, or maybe you just don't have the budget to pay a creator to make one for you. Well, the good news is Kittl already has tons of these UGC style video templates to use with your product. UGC just means user generated content if you're unfamiliar with that terms, and oftentimes it can get pretty pricey, let alone you need to get your product to the person, which also costs money, but I'm gonna show you an easier way to create your UGC style content right in Kittl. So the way the templates are set up is to take a picture of your product and drop it into this board in Kittl, which can even be from your phone. It doesn't have to be a professional level photo. And I'd encourage you to sign up to Kittl and follow along with me. If you're new here, the link is down in the description. So there are these little instructions here on the left sides of the boards to tell you what to do step by step, but let's do it together. The product board is connected to a video board, which you can see here on the right, and I'm going to show you a way to do this from scratch if you want to, but for now, let's just use the template. So in this board, I'm going to drag over a new product photo. I just took this with my phone and uploaded to Kittl, which you can do by dragging an image over from your downloads over to the canvas. That's how I like to do it. And then now that the product photo is in place over on the video board, all I have to do is click this regenerate button. And it's going to use the pre-selected prompt and video model to create a brand new video for me in this exact same style. Now, while this video is loading, I want to show you a separate part of this template, which is over here on the right side. By the way, you can either scroll over with your trackpad, or if you want to be more tactile, you can hold the space bar and click and drag to move about the canvas. But this section right here is to help you apply your design to a product mockup if that's something you haven't finished or mocked up yet yourself. And the rest of the flow you can see is similar to the first example, where the design and product mockup are attached to an image board and then finishes the flow with a video. And if you want a super detailed breakdown of how Kittl Flows works, you can check out Drew's recent video showing you all the tips and tricks for customizing prompts and all that kind of stuff. But let's actually do this now. We'll swap out the design with a different one and click regenerate over here on the AI image board and let that load in. Now that the image is finished, we can get ready to regenerate our video with the new product design. But if you are ever curious what the actual prompt is, or say you wanted to change the model in the video, or perhaps the setting, you can click down here in the prompt panel and see the entire prompt, as well as the audio instructions, since you can prompt super specific audio with models like C Dance 2. But for now, I'll keep it as is and hit regenerate, and we can go back over and check out our first video example. And there we have it. In just a few minutes, we've turned our product photo into an awesome UGC style ad that is ready for my socials. To download it, you can select the artboard here, and I like to use the quick actions panel by clicking export, which will give me an MP4 file of my video. Let's just quickly check out our other video example, and there we have it. We replaced the design, made a new photo, and created a video in one flow that I can just now repeat over and over again to make UGC content for my business. Now, if you ever wanted to experiment with additional video boards and prompts, you can always hover over and click this little arrow here on the right side of any artboard and then select video board, which will bring up a new board and allow you to start from scratch by selecting a model, using our prompt builder or presets, and then designating your aspect ratio, time, audio, and keep in mind that different models have different aspect ratios, length of time, and resolution. So consider that and figure out which one works best for you. But there are plenty of other product video templates for you to get started with, and this is just the beginning. There will even probably be more by the time that this video is even on YouTube. So make sure to go check out Kittl's feed. Use the link down in the description to sign up for Kittl and start making video content. And since I let you in on the secret, please subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found it helpful, and drop a comment down below sharing what kind of products you are selling, because we'd love to make some more templates custom tailored to you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.